Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elena and today I will show you how to turn this polyester twisted rope into a gorgeous budget-friendly basket. For this project, you will need a cardboard box, a white polyester twisted rope and a black one, and some bamboo sticks. So what we'll do, we'll measure about 1 inch around this box and all the way around. I want it to be even, so I measured all the way around the box. Then I use my ruler to make the marks, and then I use my box cutting knife and cut it all the way around the box. So when that was over, I got my hot glue and I secured the bottom lids of the box so they don't flop around. So that was done. I took my bamboo sticks and I measured them. They were like about 10 inch long, each of them approximately. So I want them to be even, so I cut them using my crafts pliers in half. And I will show you exact how many you need at the end, but I will give you a spoiler alert. You will need 43 of them because for this basket and for this weaving that I will be doing, you need an odd number of like the sticks that you're going to be attaching to the box. So the box have like between, the on the side it has like a little holes. It's a cardboard. So I am inserting by those bamboo sticks using my hot glue, and I approximately spacing them about 1 inch apart. So what I did this all the way around the whole box. There you go. Now it is almost the last. Yeah, this is the last one. So now we're done and we're gonna be starting with the rope. What I did right here, I'll show you that took me 43 of those sticks. Now I took the rope, and what I did, I used the hot glue and I secure 2 lines for now, and I did one line off all the way around the box on like the cardboard lid, and then I went one more above because I wanted it to hold the bamboo sticks in place, even though the hot glue holds pretty good. But I thought, you know what, I just wanted to be as secure. And guys, I'll tell you, this rope made this box really secure because my husband, after I was done, he claimed the box. So I have another project that I have in mind that I think you're gonna love it, and I will show you in a couple of weeks. So this is what I did. Now I'm start weaving my rope in between, and I'm kind of doing it between one and another, and then I get to the end, like the corners. I did like a swirl. I don't know what it's called, but like a swirl loop, and then I continue weaving it all the way across the one, like kind of in between, and I was holding it with my finger because this rope is really stiff. I like working with it, but it's not as a regular like clothes rope. I guess not as soft. So when I went all the way around and got to the second row, I was going to the opposite direction, which is, you can see that I was like kind of weaving it to the other side, so it makes this kind of loops and waves. I think it turned out good. I used occasionally a little bit of hot glue to secure some of it, but not that much. So when I did about a little bit less than a half, I decided I want to insert this cute little wooden beads, and I have this assortment. I think they're from Walmart. I've been using this box, and when I started, I was thinking that it probably wasn't as smart. I should have just checked if I have enough of the same little beads, but it worked out. I did the same pattern of like just the plain beads on two longer sides, and on kind of on the other side I did one of it's kind of like a ruffled one, and I did not input any on the corners. So when that was done, I went back to my rope, and what I did to secure and make sure the beads are sitting in place, I did on some of them I used the hot glue, but when I start weaving, I was doing like the loops. You see what I do? Like loops around, not weaving it, just securing them. So When I done, then I went back to my pattern, and as a beginning of my box, I was just weaving it one another. And when I went all the way around, I did the opposite way. So I continue with like this cute little pattern. When I got to the last row, I used on everywhere the rope was going dabs of hot glue to secure the rope so it will not move anymore because I did have to hold it in place. And when that was done, I went back to my craftsman tool and I cut excess of my wooden dowels. So when that was done, I used the hot glue again and I covered those wooden leftovers, I guess, that you peeking through with my rope by placing the rope on top of it. The next part was I took my black twisted rope and I covered the bottom lid of the box. I did not do the bottom because I decided that I want to use the burlap fabric to do insides and the bottom of my box. So as you can tell, I used the hot glue and secure my rope in place. Now I got my piece of burlap, I measured it and I pulled the string so I can cut like an even piece. And this burlap fabric I have, it is from burlapfabric.com, and as you guys know, all the tools and all the materials are linked in the description below. So as you can tell, I put it inside and secured all the sides with the hot glue, and it probably wasn't a smart idea because it would be easy if you do it before you start weaving the box to place insides. You know, if I would have done the burlap before, it probably would have saved me not burning some of my fingers. But, you know, lesson learned. I know how to do my next one. Now, as you can tell, I put some hot glue on my other piece of burlap, and that made a bottom of my basket. I cut the excess and secure a little more with the hot glue where the sides needed it, and went around and make sure it's all nice and tidy so nothing's gonna, the pieces won't come out, because I don't like when burlap start to shred or looks like that. So no, I need to make sure it's nice and secure. So now that is all for this box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got some inspiration and you would like to recreate it. This box already was claimed by my husband. He really loved it, and I have another idea that I am going to show you in a few videos down the road. But for now, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a wonderful day. Love you all, and we'll see you in my next video real soon. Bye.